First we need to create a new list. So just go to the list section from the menu. Here you will see your current list. Now click on add a new list. Alright, now we just need to fill in some basic details. Enter list ID as a 8980. List name, let's put King Demo. Description, you can type King Demo. Select the campaign as a test and make sure active is set to yes. Once everything looks good, just scroll down and click on submit. Perfect, your new list is now created. Now let's upload the lead. Go to the lead option and here click on choose file and select your lead file. Make sure it's in CSV format. Once select, click on upload file. You will be asked select to font code or country code. For example, if your leads are from USA, select OnePlus USA. After that, click on next and finally you click on finish. That's it. Your leads are now uploaded. Now let's quickly verify if everything worked properly. Go back to list and show list. Find your list. Here you can check all upload list. If you can see them here, that means your upload was successfully. Now let's quickly verify if everything worked properly. Go back to list and show list. Find your list King Demo. Here you can check all the upload list. If you can see them here, that means your upload was successfully. If you want to test it yourself, put user ID and password. You can check live demo. If this video helpful, you don't forget like, share and subscribe. See you in the next role.